Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ring bending kit is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop, especially if you're into jewelry making or metalworking. This kit allows you to effortlessly shape metal rings into various sizes and designs, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, a good ring bending kit can significantly enhance your crafting experience and the quality of your finished products. Number 5. ImpressArt Ring Bending Pliers Kit. This kit makes it easy to bend, form, and reshape ring stamping blanks and metal strips. It's also great for creating curves and other soft, low-gauge metals. With this, you can bring your creative ideas to life. The pliers are constructed of durable stainless steel, ensuring they will last. The nylon jaws are gentle on the metal, so it won't damage your pieces while forming them. The nylon jaws are softer than all metals, so they won't scratch or mar your bracelet stamping blanks. This feature ensures a smooth and professional finish every time you use it. The kit comes with 8 ring blanks in various sizes. You'll receive 4 size 8 to 10 blanks and 4 size 7 to 9 blanks, giving you plenty to get started with your projects. Please be aware that this product is sold internationally and may have different terms. It could differ from local products in terms of fit, age ratings, and the language of the product labeling or instructions. What we like. This kit is built to last with its stainless steel construction. The nylon jaws are gentle on your metal, preventing scratches. If you're a beginner looking for a complete kit with included ring blanks, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those starting out in ring making. What people say. This works so perfect, exactly as described. Very happy with how easy it makes shaping a ring. I did discover that when I am first starting to bend the ring I don't apply full pressure, so it is easier to move along the metal and get the curve started. Then I go back around and clamp it tight to get the nice circle. Easy to use and good quality. Works well and perfect shape for rings. Number 4. Zoom Ring Stamping Kit with Pliers and Blanks. This kit allows you to stamp and engrave your own rings. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys crafting and making jewelry. You can create unique pieces with ease. Use this kit with metal stamping tools. It works well with machines like Silhouette, Brother Scan and Cut, or Maker Explore. You can also use ferric chloride for engraving. The kit comes with a ring bender tool and ring blanks. It includes both copper and aluminum blanks in sizes 4 through 12. It has everything you need to get started. This jewelry making kit is part of the Zoom Precision line. It's designed for quality and ease of use. It's a great addition to any jewelry maker's collection. The included pliers are useful for more than just ring stamping. They can be used for other jewelry projects as well. It's a versatile tool for various crafting needs. The packaging provides helpful tips and tutorials. It's suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced crafters. It makes the process easy to understand. What we like. This kit lets you stamp and bend your own rings. It includes both copper and aluminum blanks, giving you options. If you're looking for a kit that combines both stamping and bending, this one is for you. It's ideal for those who want to personalize their rings with stamped designs. What people say. For creative kids, this could give hours of fun. It's very satisfying to bend that ring into shape. Plenty of room to hammer your own designs. Number 3. KINGSEESUN Ring Bender Ring Making Tool. This tool makes ring making easier. It helps you get a more accurate size and shape. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. This tool can bend earrings, rings, and other metal parts. It's suitable for home use or in jewelry stores. It's a versatile tool for various projects. The base and handle provide high torque with less resistance. This allows the user to easily bend metals. The design ensures efficiency and ease of use. It includes nylon dies, a ring sizer measuring tool, ring mandrel, ring sizer gauge, and a ring sizer belt. These accessories are essential for ring making. They provide everything you need to get started. Please note that the kit's parts may shift during shipping. However, this won't affect the product's function. Consider this before purchasing the product. What we like. This tool makes ring making easier and more accurate. It comes with a full set of accessories, including a ring sizer. If you value precision and want a comprehensive set, consider this one. It's great for jewelers or hobbyists who need accurate sizing. What people say. This is the first try and I'm impressed. I didn't attach this to my workbench yet as my workbench is not in place yet, so it was a little difficult as you need it to be mounted to get the leverage you need. The nylon dies included with the tool provide a smooth and scratch-free bending process. This tool is versatile, accommodating various ring sizes and designs with ease. Number 2. TIRYIUOU Ring Bender Tool for Jewelry Making. This is the second generation ring bender tool. It addresses the issues of the first generation, improving the base plate and including nylon dies. This makes it more convenient and offers more size options. The tool includes round piles and molds for sizes from 12 mm to 22 mm. Each size has nylon dies to protect your rings. It also has rectangular piles for bending at 60 and 90 degrees. This machine is perfect for bending silver, gold, copper, iron wire, and stainless steel wire. It's designed for annealed soft metal strips under 3 mm thick. It's best not to bend metal that is too thick, as it may damage the machine. You can fix it directly to your workbench with screws. Alternatively, screw it onto a wooden board, using rubber pads for grip. If you have a bench vise, you can also place the bender in the top vise mouth. It features a steel base plate for durability. The packaging is also designed to protect the tool during shipping, using EPE packing box with pearl cotton for extra protection, so you don't need to worry about damage. What we like. This ring bender features an improved design with multiple size options. It's made from high-quality materials for durability. If you're looking for a robust and versatile bending machine, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who work with various ring sizes and materials. What people say. As a jewelry designer, the ring bender tool for spoon rings has been an incredible addition to my toolkit. The machine is very user-friendly, allowing for precise and smooth bending of rings. The nylon dies ensure that the metal isn't scratched or damaged during the process. Its compact size makes it extremely convenient to carry around, so I can take it with me to different workspaces. This tool has significantly improved my workflow and the quality of my designs. Highly recommended for any jewelry maker. I have made over 50 rings since I purchased this bender. It is suiting my needs. I am very pleased. I've used this bender now for a few days for making spoon rings. I have been using it with sterling silver spoons and so far the bender has done a great job. It comes with plastic inserts and using them I have had no mars or distortions of the patterns on the spoons. It was a little stiff when first received, but after a little oil on the moving parts it operates smoothly. Number 1. Beadsmith Metal Bending Pliers, Non-Marring. Introducing the Beadsmith Metal Bending Pliers. These pliers are designed to shape and bend wire without leaving any scratches. It's ideal for delicate jewelry making and repair projects. This tool is made from durable metal with reinforced PVC handles. This ensures long-lasting use and provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. You can rely on it for all your projects. The pliers feature a double-leaf spring to minimize hand fatigue. This makes it easy to use during extended crafting sessions. It's designed for your comfort. It's perfect for opening jump rings, gripping pins, and working with soft wire. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this tool will be a great addition to your collection. Built with box joint construction, it offers added stability, control, and precision. You'll get professional results with every use. Get yours today. What we like. This plier has nylon jaws that won't scratch your metal. It's designed with an ergonomic grip for comfort. If you're working with delicate materials and need a tool that's gentle, this is the one. It's ideal for jewelry makers who prioritize a clean finish. What people say. Absolutely incredible and so much easier to shape rings than hands or regular pliers. I'm so happy with this purchase. Great tool which works for metal under 0.035 thick. I tried some aluminum that was 0.025 and it worked perfectly. The ring pliers make this step very easy and remove the crease in 2 bends, and do a much better job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.